Why do you run from me?
Hello folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. It's about a week before my surgery, and I thought I'd stay with the theme and try something a little bit more adventurous or a challenge. We're going to try something a little different that I haven't done before, and that is to go up into Waimea Valley and see how far we can go. As you'll remember, Waimea Bay is known for its big waves during the winter and its placid lake-like surface during the summer. We will be going into Waimea Valley. And there is a beautiful botanical garden and a giant waterfall at the very end.
Falling like rain onto the ground. Hawaiian rain keeps on falling. Gently it washes my soul.
It's the Waimea River there, coming down from the valley.
Rock me in your arms, gentle shore. Softly the sun breaks through the clouds, flowing over the land.
So our plan today is ride along Waimea River here, up to the Waimea Valley Visitor Center, and see if they'll let us ride our trike along the paths through the botanical gardens up to Waimea Falls. Generally, the paths are filled with locals and visitors walking along a paved road and a few electric shuttle buses that deliver challenge folks up to the falls. Well, this has been a goal of mine since I got my recumbent trike. I really wanted to get up to the falls on the trike. I figured I'd have to talk to management to allow me to enter the park. I wasn't sure this would be even possible. Heck, I'd give it a try, a challenge if you will. I was so consumed by the giant trees along the road that I didn't notice I lost an important part of my trike awareness system. I continued riding and then came upon some valley residents, and I thought I'd check with them to see if I could ride my trike up to the falls. Excuse me, gentlemen, ma'am, what do you guys think? Can we get up into the river there, or is that something possible or not, and get up and see the falls? Hey, I'm over here, look at me right here. Yo. Anyway, thanks for being so cooperative with me. Anyway, I'm going up there. If you guys want to come, hop on and we'll get up there. Where'd that came off of?
Just right back here.
Was that on the road?
Yeah, we're right behind you.
Thank you. Hey, Mo, Larry, and Curly, where are you guys going? Hey, how come you guys didn't tell me the flag fell off? Nice guys. All right, let me see if I can get this back on. All right, I got my flag back on. Fortunately, some really nice people will follow me when that flag just fell off, I guess. Maybe we have a video of it. Oh. So we're here at the visitor center, and let's see if I can find someone to talk to about riding my trike up to the falls. Hui, brothers, can you tell me who I gotta talk to see if I can ride this contraption up to the park? I guess they're gonna go check. Well, here are some young park rangers. Maybe they can help. Yes, that's a hula dancer. Her name is Sweet Angelina.
Why she has a made out dress?
She has a straw dress, yeah.
Why does she have?
Okay, here's the boss. Let's see what he has to say about me riding my trike to the falls. I only have.
Drive him to the ticket booth.
Yeah, I can
Just
solve
follow
that.
him.
I can follow. Awesome.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. Hey, Randy, mahalo. Huh?
Right, follow him.
Okay, thank you. Wow, I can't believe it. We're going in. This guy here is going to take me back via the back door to the ticket booth. This is so awesome.
Will I ever see you again? Will you be there at the end of my journey? Will you be there at the end? Will I have time to explain?
So here we are. I paid my $10 Kama'aina rate to get in, and here we go. The cashier had recognized me as the guy who rides along the North Shore on that funny looking bicycle. So they let me in. How about that? I asked them real nicely and they let me in. Yeah, I'm going to go see a waterfall and all the plants and the ducks.
We saw ducks.
There's Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Okay guys, I'll see you at the waterfall. Amazing. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Well, here's a little history of Waimea Valley from my perspective. Back in the 50s and 60s, visitors would have to park their cars by Cam Highway at the beginning of the road. Then we would walk along a windy trail and then eventually walk along the riverbed, climbing over boulders and negotiating thick vegetation. It was about a 2-hour hike to get us to the falls that poured over a 45-foot cliff into a large swimmable pool. Today you drive up to the visitors center and then take a 30-minute casual walk along an asphalt road.
Will I have time to explain all the things that went wrong, all the pain? Will we ever be one? Will we ever be one? Brother, where do you go? Will you find peace all alone? And how is it we're so apart?
This is a must-do if you're visiting Oahu. Here we have some grass huts where they are demonstrating Hawaiian crafts and art. That flag doesn't look like it's too healthy, does it?
Lost you when the battle began. Oh, you took to the woods as you ran.
I was disappointed when the powers that be decided to put roads into the falls, allowing a gazillion visitors and charging a fee to visit what once was a free hike. I boycotted the falls for almost 30 years, as I surely missed the once pristine hike I had often visited as a kid. In those days, we were rewarded with a gorgeous waterfall where us locals could dive off the cliff into the pond. The falls are still gorgeous, but I'm not a fan of concrete and asphalt where Mother Nature once ruled. I gave up my boycott about 10 years ago when I discovered that they converted the park into a lush botanical garden. Today the walk is well worth it, as the natural tropical jungle foliage is dense with century-old trees, tropical flowers, native and non-native vegetation, with placards that tell the species. Lots of benches for rest stops and walking tours if you're interested.
Oh, you took to the woods as you ran, leaving behind the wounded past. Oh, the tears are the fears that will last. Yeah, the tears are the fears that will last. Oh, brother, where do you roam? Will you find peace all alone? How is it we're so apart? Distance these scars on the heart. Distance these scars on the heart. Will I ever see you again? Will you be there at the end? Will you be there at the end?
So here we are at the final bridge that gives us a peek at the fall. Off to the left you can barely see it. That GoPro 360 doesn't capture it very well. It's better in person. I met Brian J here on the bridge and he was interested in what I was doing. He noticed the microphone and wondered if I was creating YouTube content, which I said yes, and he asked for my channel. Nice chat, nice guy. So how do I know his name? I'll tell you later. This is incredible. Okay. Now, there are some rules here about going swimming. You have to get a life vest, life preserver, you have to wear that. And then you can go in the water. I'm going to go a little bit here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we're going to go right here. Well, there it is. We finally made it. Nice decent ride. Let's take a closer look. Waimea Falls. On a recumbent trike. Well, that was our tour of Waimea Valley, Waimea Waterfalls, and the beautiful botanical gardens of Waimea. Hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. It was impromptu, last minute decision. I gave it a try. I challenged myself to go, see if I could make it, and they let me in. I was stoked. Hey, you guys have a great week. Be healthy, be safe, be happy, and be forever young. Aloha!
Distance these scars on the heart. Will I ever see you again? Will you be there?
So why am I here, back at Waimea Falls? Because when I left here, I forgot something. It fell off a trike again and someone found it. Awesome.